Hello everyone. In this video, we are learning about control structures, conditional statements, nothing but flow control functions in PHP. It is divided into two parts, namely decision control statements, nothing but making decision with condition, and secondly, looping control statements, nothing but repeating action through iterations. In the last video, we learned about decision control statements. Now in this video, we learn about looping controller statements. So looping control statements are also called as repeating action through iteration. So we discuss about this topic in this video. So see here, looping control statements are nothing but repeating action through iteration. It consists of a loop, while loop, do while loop, and finally for each loop. So see here, first one for loop. First one for loop. A for loop is a type of control structure that allows you to execute a block of code repeatedly for a specified number of times. So we can, by using for loop, we can execute the code repeatedly for a specified number of times. Again, so we see the program related to for loop. And repeating. Say initialization of variable take place in only in first iteration. From second iteration, we'll see only condition checking and the increment operator. Only condition checking and increment operator will be repeated from second iteration onwards. Initialization of variable take place only in first iteration. So say here, $x is equal to 0. Nothing but x value is 0. Now condition checking. In x value is 0. 0 less than or equal to 5. 0 less than or equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. Now we come to print statement in for loop. Number is in x value find 0. So we get the output number is 0. Number is 0. By using BR tag, line break will take place and we go to next line. Again, we go to from second iteration onwards, only condition checking and increment operator will be repeated. As I told you, initialization of variable take place only once. That is only in first iteration. From second iteration onwards, only condition checking and increment operator will be used. So now the x value is 0. X value is 0. Now we go to, from first iteration, we got the x value as 0. Now we go to increment operator. We go to increment operator. That is here. See here. Increment operator. So x plus plus means x is equal to x plus 1. So in first iteration, we got the x value as 0. So 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Nothing but x value is 1. Now we go to condition checking. $x less than or equal to 5. Nothing but 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. Now we go to the print statement in the for loop. That is number is in x value. We have the value 1. So we get the output number is 1. Again, by using BR tag, line break will take place and we come to next line. Again, we go to increment operator. This one. So come here. X is equal to x plus 1. In second iteration, we got the value as x value as 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now x value is 2. Now we check the condition. 2 less than or equal to 5. 2 less than or equal to 5. $x less than or equal to 5 condition checking. We got the value x value as 2. So 2 less than or equal to 5. 2 less than or equal to 5. 2 less than or equal to 5. So condition is satisfied. Now the print statement in the for loop will be executed. The number is in x value, we have the value 2. So we get the output. Number is 2. Again we go to increment operator. $x plus plus. So here, see here. $x plus plus. Nothing but x is equal to x plus 1. In x value, you got the value 1 in second iteration. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Now x value is 2. Now x value is 2. Now we go to condition checking. $x less than or equal to 5. X value is 2 here. So 2 less than or equal to 5. 2 less than or equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. Now the print statement in the for loop will be executed. That is number is 2. Number is 2. Number is 2. Now by using VR tag, line break will take place and you come to next line. Again, we go to increment operator, $x plus plus. So see here, $x plus plus. X value is 2 in third iteration. So $x plus plus means x is equal to x plus 1. So in second iteration, we got the value x value as 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. Nothing but x value is 3. Now condition checking. $x less than or equal to 5. So x value is 3 here. So 3 less than or equal to 5. 3 less than or equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. Now the print statement in the for loop will be executed. Number is 3. Number is 3. So see the output. Number is 3. Now by using the tag, line break will take place and you go to next line. Again, we go to increment operator. That is $x plus plus. So x is equal to x plus 1. X value is 3 in fourth iteration. So 4 plus 1. X value is 3 in fourth iteration. So 3 plus 1. Nothing but x value is 4. X value is 4. Now we go to condition checking. $x less than or equal to 5. Here x value is 4. So 4 less than or equal to 5. 4 less than or equal to 5. So x value is 4 here. 4 less than or equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. Now the print statement in the for loop will be executed. The number is 4. The number is 4. Again VR tag, line break will take place and you go to next line. Again coming to increment operator. $x plus plus. So see here. $x plus plus. Nothing but x is equal to x plus 1. So here last iteration we got the x value as 4. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now x value is 5. Now x value is 5. Now we go to condition checking. $x less than or equal to 5. Now x value is 5 here. X value is 5 here. So 5 less than or equal to 5. So 5 less than or equal to 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. See here, equality operator. 5 less than or equal to 5. So condition is satisfied. Now the print statement in the for loop will be executed. Print statement in the for loop will be executed. Number is 5. Number is 5. So the number is 5 here. Again, BR tag, line break will take place and we go to next line. Again, increment operator. $x plus plus. Nothing but we got x value as 5 here. Nothing by 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. Now condition checking. See here, 6 less than or equal to 5. 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. Condition is not satisfied. Loop. So see here, 5 less than or equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. So we can end the for loop here. So we can end the for loop here since condition is not satisfied. So finally we get the output. Number is 0, number is 1, number is 2, number is 3, number is 4, number is 5. Now coming to while loop. Coming to while loop. Now coming to while loop. See here. Now coming to while loop. So if you know for loop, we can write while loop. See here. In place of for, I have written while here. In place of for, I have written while. And this initialization of variable, I have written here above while loop. $x is equal to 0. I wrote this initialization of variable nothing but $x is equal to 0 above while loop. Only condition checking will be written inside the while loop. Only condition checking will be written inside the while loop. Now, print statement. statement echo $x, echo number is $x, BR tag. Now increment operator. Increment operator I wrote inside the loop, inside the while loop. So in place of for return while and $x is equal to 0, initialization of variable I have written above the while loop, and only condition checking, $x less than or equal to 5 I have written inside the brackets of while loop, and this increment operator I have written inside the while loop below the echo statement. So this is a initialization of variable, and this is condition checking, and this is a increment operator. So in this way, convert for loop to while loop. So same output, whatever output we getting for loop, same output we getting while loop. See here, number is 0, number is 1, number is 2, number is 3, number is 4, and number is 5. And third one, do while loop. And third one, do while loop. See here. While loop. While loop means type of control structure that allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly while a certain condition is true. So we can use the while loop until condition is satisfied. Now coming to do while loop. Do while loop is also, if I can find same definition, whatever we written while loop. So do while loop is a type of control structure that allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly while a certain condition is true. So same definition for while loop and do while loop. But the difference between while loop and do while loop you find here. So here the main difference between do while loop and while loop is that the code inside the do while loop will be executed at least once regardless of condition. Nothing but first iteration will be executed without checking the condition. Whereas in while loop, execution take place only condition is true from first iteration onwards. But in while loop, first iteration without checking condition, it will be executed. That is the main difference between while loop and do while loop. Now, see here, I am converting this while loop to do while loop. See here, I am converting while loop to do while loop. So simply write this while condition here. Put semicolon. Here we write do. That's it. This is do while loop. This is a do while loop. This is a do while loop. So see here, I have written while loop here, and in place of while loop, I have written do. Nothing but first iteration will be executed without checking the condition. And second iteration take place only if the condition is satisfied. So $x less than or equal to 5. For in first iteration, x is equal to 0. So without checking the condition, the statement will be executed. The number is 0. No, 0 plus 1, 1. 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. Now the echo statement will be executed. That is number is 1. Again 1 plus 1, 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. Now again number is 2. Number is 2. Now 2 plus 1, 3. Check in the condition. 3 less than or equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. Now the number is 3. Number is 3. BR tag, line break will take place. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. Condition is satisfied. Now number is 4. Again increment operator. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. Again condition is satisfied. We get the output. Number is 5. Number is 5. Again increment operator. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. So here we will end this loop. So finally the output is number is 0, number is 1, number is 2, number is 3, number is 4, number is 5. So by using BR tag, line break will take place and we come to next line. Now coming to for each loop. For each loop means loop through a block of code for each element in the array. So for each element in the array, loop take place. For each element in the array, loop take place. So here, array in PHP means variable containing multiple values. Variable containing multiple values. So dollar colors, nothing but variable name is colors, is equal to array. Elements in the array are red, green, blue. See here. Array name is, see here, array name is dollar color. Array name is dollar colors containing three string elements. Containing three string elements, namely red, green, blue. Now, see here, for each loop means loop will iterate for each element in the array. Nothing but loop will iterate for each element in the dollar colors array. Name of the array is dollar colors here. So loop will iterate for each element in the dollar colors array. So for each element, loop take place. So for each array name is dollar colors as dollar value. So each value will be stored in this variable. So each value will be stored in this variable. So first value is red. So red value will be stored in this variable. Now by using print statement, we get the value red. Now br tag, we come to next line. So dollar, no, see, first element red will be stored in this variable named the dollar value. Now this print statement will bring the value that is stored in this variable, nothing but red. Now br tag we come to next line. Again, second value is green. So this green value, this green color will be stored in this variable dollar value. Now on this echo statement will bring this value green. Now this echo statement will bring this color green, which is stored in this variable named the dollar value. Now we get the value green. Again br tag, come to next line break will take place and come to next line. Again third value, blue will be stored in this dollar variable name dollar value. And by using this echo statement, the blue color will be printed in the output. So see here, first element is red. Now red color will be stored in this variable namely dollar value. And by using this echo statement, the red color will be printed here. Again br tag, we come to next line. Now second element is green color. Now green color will be stored in this dollar value. By using echo statement, the value in the dollar value, nothing but green color, will be printed here. Again br tag, we come to next line. Third color is nothing but third element, blue color. So blue color will be stored in this variable name dollar value. And this echo statement will bring the value that is in dollar value, namely blue color. So blue color will be printed here. Now red color stored in dollar value. By using print statement, we bring the red color. Now green color will be stored in this dollar value. By using echo statement, the green color will be printed here. And finally, blue color will be stored in this dollar value. And by using this echo statement, this blue color will be printed in the output. Now coming to breaking out of a control structure. So here we learn two statements, namely break statement and continuous statement. We learn two statements, namely break statement and continuous statement. So break statement. So here break statement in PHP is used to terminate the execution of the loop. So to terminate the execution of loop, we use a break statement. So see the example here. We are using for loop here. Variable name is I. So see here variable name is I. So this is what this dollar I is equal to 0. Nothing but it is initialization of variable I. Dollar I less than 10. Nothing but condition checking. Now dollar I plus plus. Nothing but increment operator. So we already told you the initialization of variable will take place only in first iteration. From second iteration onwards, I will just see the condition checking and the increment operator. So see here for loop $I is equal to 0. Now I value is 0. Now coming to condition checking. I value is 0 here, 0 less than 10, 0 less than 10. So condition is satisfied. So whenever the condition is satisfied, we will go to if statement. We will go to if statement. $I equal to equality operator. This one is equality operator. $I equal to 5. So here I value is 0. So 0 equal to 5. 0 equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. 0 equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. Now we go to echo statement. Nothing but print statement. So here value of I is 0. So 0 will be printing in the output. Slashing means nothing but line break. You go to will come to next line. Again, now coming to increment operator. So in first iteration, we know the I value is 0. So $I plus plus means I plus 1. Nothing but 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1. Now I value is 1. Now check in the condition. 1 less than 10. 1 less than 10. Condition is satisfied. Again we go to statement. Now 1 equal to 5. 1 equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. Now come to echo statement. Nothing but print statement in PHP. It will print the value 1 which is in the variable I. So we get the output 1. Again slashing means line break. It will go to next line. Again coming to increment operator. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 I value is 2. Now 2 less than 10. Condition is satisfied. Again we go to statement 2 equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. Again coming to echo statement. It will print the I value, that is 2. Slashing means line break. Now again coming to increment operator. Again 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Now check in the condition. 3 less than 10. 3 less than 10. Condition is satisfied. Again coming to statement 3 equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. Now we go to echo statement. It will bring the value 3. It will bring the value 3. Now slashing means line break. Again going to increment operator. 3 plus 1, 4. Check in the condition. 4 less than 10. Condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied. Now checking the if statement. 4 equal to 5. 4 equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. Again go to if statement. Again go to echo statement. It will print the I value nothing but 4. Again slashing line break. Now going to increment operator. 4 plus 1, 5. Now checking the condition. 5 less than 10. 5 less than 10. Condition is satisfied. Condition is satisfied. Again checking the if condition. So here 5 equal to 5. 5 equal to 5. Here condition is satisfied. Now the statement in the if condition, nothing break statement will be executed. Nothing but it will terminate the loop. It will terminate the loop. So it will come out of the loop here. So finally output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever I became whenever I value is 5, condition is satisfied here and the break statement will be executed. Nothing but we will come out of the for loop. So this is the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See here in the above example, nothing but this example, the loop will exit when I equal to variable I equal to 5. So we get the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. From 5 onwards, break statement will be applied here. Break statement will be applied here and will come out of the for loop. So this is the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now finally continuous statement. Continuous statement skip the, so here continuous statement, skip the current iteration of the loop and continues with the next iteration. So see here, again we are using for loop, initialization of variable, condition checking, increment operator. So $I is equal to 0. Now I value is 0, check in the condition, 0 less than 10, condition is satisfied. Now coming to statement, 0 equal to 5, condition is not satisfied. Now go to echo statement. It will bring the value stored in variable I. Nothing but we get the value 0. We get the value 0. Now slashing means line break. You'll go to next line. Again, 0 increment operator, 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 less than 10, condition is satisfied. Going to if statement. 1 equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. If condition is not satisfied, we go to echo statement. So this echo statement brings the value of 5. Nothing but 1. Slashing means line break. Now again, going to increment operator, 1 plus 1, 2. Checking the condition 2 less than 10. The condition is satisfied. Coming to if statement, 2 equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. So we go to echo statement. It will bring the value 2, which is in variable I. So we get the output 2 here. Again, slashing line break. Again, coming to increment operator, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 less than 10. Condition is satisfied. Checking the if condition, 3 equal to 5. If condition is not satisfied, condition is not satisfied. Now again going to echo statement. So we get the output 3 here. Now again, slashing line break. Going to increment operator again. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 less than 10. Condition is satisfied. Again checking the if condition. 4 equal to 5. If condition is not satisfied, again going to echo statement. The echo statement, we print the value of 5, nothing but 4. Slashing means line break. Again, increment operator. 4 plus 1, 5. Checking the condition, 5 less than 10. Going to if statement. So here, 5 equal to 5. 5 equal to 5. Here, if condition is satisfied. Now here we apply the continuous statement. Nothing but so here, the value 5 will not be printed in the output. But we'll continue the looping statement, but we'll continue the loop. So 5 equal to 5. So continuous statement means the 5 will not be executed in the output. So here the number 5 will be skipped and the loop will continue with the next iteration. Whenever the I value become 5, the number 5 will be skipped and the loop will continue with the next iteration. So whenever I value is 5, the I value I will be skipped and will continue the next iteration. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 less than 10. 6 equal to 5. Condition is not satisfied. Again going to echo statement, we print the value 6. So again, slash and line break. Increment operator, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 less than 10. So check in the condition, 7 equal to 5, not satisfied. Going to echo statement, and print the value 7. Again, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 less than 10. 8 equal to 5, not satisfied. Going to echo statement, print the value 8. And finally, going to increment operator, 8 plus 1, 9. 9 less than 10. Again, condition is satisfied. Going to check in the if condition, 9 equal to 5. So condition is not satisfied. Going to echo statement, we can print the value 9. Again going to increment operator. 9 plus 1, 10. So check in the condition, 10 less than 10. 10 less than 10. Condition is not satisfied here. Will come out of the for loop. So see here. See the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. Number 5 is not in the output. Number 5 is not in the output. the number 5 will be skipped and will continue with the next iteration. Nothing but 6, 7, 8 and 9.